Okay, I'm being beat up. Hi everyone! This is going to be called an Uptown. There's not much written about this aside from the recipe, so we'll just jump right into this boy. So, this one is kind of strange, because there's a part at the end, this happens a lot, where it's like one dash of each of something to each drink. So I always kind of wonder if I'm supposed to do that to each drink, because I'm separating this drink out, but it's one drink recipe, so I don't know. I'm going to do it to each cup. This is enough stuff to make 2 drinks, so I'm making 2 drinks out of this. We start off with 1 part lime juice, 1 part pineapple juice, sweet little can. I said sweet little can. I feel weird about it. 1 part orange juice, baby. And then 6 parts Jamaican rum.
6?
Jamaican rum. 6 parts. So we'll both. That's what I'm saying. Oh, this was a brand new bottle. I was wondering if this was full enough.
Boy.
Brand new bottle of Myers. Appleton's is another good one I've mentioned before. This one's just going to have like a darkness to it, so any color that comes from these fruits, yellow, won't really come through as much. 1. 4. As soon as I said it out loud, it sounded wrong. 5. 6 is a lot, so it's good that we're splitting this. Put some ice in there.
Oh my god, that died really vigorously. Set it on fire.
Boy, this looks gross.
Ooh.
It's not even done. It's true. Bitters are involved. I'm gonna go light on them though.
Please.
Maybe I'll skip it on yours.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Then you can try both. Then, to each drink, this is what you get if you do a full shot for your parts. You get 2 of these. And in each of these, you'll put 1 dash triple sec. The original recipe is Cointreau, but that stuff is expensive and it's essentially the same thing. So it's like $6 to $10 a bottle. Cointreau's like $30.
I would pay that much.
I'm not a fool. 1 dash? Yeah, a dash of Grenadine. And then the last dash is bitters. My wife hates this, so we're going to skip the bitters on hers. She might try both to see what the difference is. It goes a long way, so I didn't put a ton in mine. Its dash is supposed to be 10 drops. Anyways, that's all. That's all there is to it. It looks pretty, kind of. It doesn't look terrible. The Grenadine sinks to the bottom, so it makes like this, like, sort of, oh, get in here.
Pretty red curve.
Yeah, it makes like a sunset. Like a sunset if you live somewhere where the air looks like a sewer plant. Alright, let's give this a shot. Oh wow, it smells strong.
It's not bad. It's just like an island drink.
Yeah. I feel like you could go a little more ham on the juices.
Yeah.
It's pretty strong on the rum content, and because the juices, there aren't that many of them, it doesn't really come through as a particular flavor at all, really. Like,
this was in my drink!
oh, what? Ooh. Get it out of here.
I'm gonna try the one with bitters.
Let me try the one without. Way better without.
Oh!
Way better without.
I don't recommend bitters.
Bitters,
Oh.
there's like a very few things that they make taste good.
Ooh. Tastes like puke.
Yeah, if you like that really sour, or like if you like biting the outside of an orange, the rind, an orange rind, if you like that directly, like most people, like if they accidentally lick their fingers after peeling an orange, they wouldn't like it. That's basically the flavor of bitters, is that. It's bad. Like and subscribe!